Hi everyone, my name is Gail Robinson and I'm so excited to be your teacher this quarter for English 90. I prefer that you call me Gail, so if that's comfortable for you, that would be great. If that's not so comfortable, you're welcome to call me Ms. Robinson or Professor Robinson or Miss Gail. Whatever's comfortable for you is really fine with me. And something I want to make sure you know about is I sent an email already to all of you about this, but we will be meeting every quarter every Monday and Wednesday this quarter by Zoom. Our meeting time is from 8 a.m. to 9:20, and my guess is for a lot of you, you will be seeing this video and our Canvas site after that first meeting on Monday. Because we're meeting first thing on the first day of the quarter, you probably won't have a chance to really get into this Canvas course shell and start to navigate and look around and start the work of the class. So you probably will have already met me in Zoom, and this is just a second introduction to let you know that I'm eager to work with you this quarter. So after you view this video, you'll read the rest of the information on this first page, and that will provide you with some explanation about how to work your way through the rest of the how to get started in the class. And remember, if you ever have a question or you feel stuck, just shoot me an email. It's so much better to ask, or you can use Class Lounge and post your questions there. So much better to ask than to spend a lot of time struggling or feeling challenged and frustrated. So I'm here to help. Let me know what I can do to support you. And have a great first week, everyone.